Hey guys, thanks for checking out the Total Widget Control. My name's Jonathan. I'm going to walk you through an installation tutorial in this video. I've got my 2010 theme set up here with a few widgets in their sidebar locations. Now, after uploading the plugin, I'm going to go ahead and activate it. After activation, just head to the widgets area and go ahead and choose a license of your choosing here. We're just going to go with the free license for this video. Now, upon activation and registration of this plugin, it's going to go ahead and take a snapshot of all of the widgets in their sidebar locations, and then it's going to use those as my defaults. So you can see I'm going to refresh the page now that it's registered, and nothing has changed, no difference here. Alright, so right here I'm going to go ahead and show you. I've got this is the Total Widget Control widget management area. You can see if I want to switch back to the core WordPress view, I can just toggle with this little link here, and I'm back to the core. Now the core is not going to operate the same anymore, so you're going to prefer to use the Total Widget Control area. Now the difference is now we can go ahead and set these widgets to a per page basis. Now with the categories here, we can see that our categories are displayed in just a single in the default here. So I'm going to set this to the home page. Now by setting this to the home page, what's going to happen is that now that we have a widget displaying on the home page, we are no longer going to see the default sidebar. We're going to see the new sidebar that I'm going to go ahead and start building now. And if I want to go ahead and add this to the About page, we can go ahead and save and continue. I'm going to go ahead and grab another widget after this page reloads here. We'll probably just go with a calendar here. It's also in the primary widget area. I'm going to also add this calendar to the home page, and I'm also going to add it to the checkout page here. And I'm going to give it a title here real quick. Save and continue. Alright, so on the home page we should see two widgets, the calendar and the categories. On the About page, we've only got the categories. On the Products page here, we don't have any widgets set for this page, so we're going to see everything. Now, I believe it was the checkout page that I set the calendar to. So you can see right off the bat, we can start customizing every single page with the Total Widget Control. Now, if you are to add new widgets, we simply click on the Add New. And we've got a full range of all of our widgets here. Now, a new widget that I've gone ahead and built and included with the core package of the Total Widget Control is the Query Post widget. If many of you developers may be familiar with query posts, and if you are, this widget here gives you full control over being able to list any content type that you would like and display it any way that you would like to display it. So here I'm going to go ahead and call this one my blog. I'm going to scroll down to the post type here, and I'm going to tell it that I want to display the post type and the status of published. I'm going to scroll down a little farther and see that, well, actually I'm going to scroll up and just shrink this here. I'm going to go ahead and say I want this a bullet list with post titles as a link. Now let's display this right on the home page here, and there we go. Let's go ahead and put it in the third position. Go ahead and save that, and we'll go ahead and reload the home page here and see what that looks like. Alright, so you can see I've got my blog post listed right here. Now you can go ahead and edit the CSS on that, but there you go, I've got a nice little blog listing. Now if I want to change that up, I'll go ahead and play with this a little bit more. I'm going to want the author, the date, maybe a thumbnail here. Let me see. Oh, no post image. Okay, display the content as well. Just a couple little changes, and we'll go ahead and refresh that page so that you can see how useful this little query post thing is going to be for you. Alright guys, hope that was easy enough for you. If you have any troubles at all, go ahead and give us a call and we'll help you get this installed free of charge.